Venus was once similar to Earth, with a similar atmosphere, water, and possibly even life. Today, however, the world is a vastly different place, with an atmosphere that is 96% carbon dioxide, and so dense that the sun's rays cannot reach the surface. The surface temperature is a scorching 460 degrees Celsius, and active volcanoes are a common sight. To make matters worse, acid rain falls from the sky. How did Venus go from an Earth-like planet to a hostile world with a toxic atmosphere? What was the tipping point that caused the transformation of Venus? Finally, and most importantly, could the same thing happen to Earth if we don't address climate change? Volcanic activity on Venus might have played a big role in turning it into a hell-like planet. The intense heat and molten lava from the constantly erupting volcanoes could have caused the extinction of any potential life on the planet, as well as contributing to the planet's scorching surface temperature. We can't see the surface of Venus because its atmosphere is too thick. It blocks the sun and makes it hard for us to see what's down there. However, the Magellan spacecraft was launched on May 4, 1989, and it was on a mission to map the surface of Venus. It was the first mission to use radar to map a planet, and it provided detailed images of Venus' surface features. The map revealed many intriguing features on the surface of Venus, including a variety of volcanic structures, rift valleys, and large impact craters. The high-resolution images also showed evidence of recent volcanic activity and possible past liquid water on the planet's surface, which was unexpected given Venus's current harsh conditions. The map's most intriguing discovery is that volcanic basalt rock covers 80% of its surface. This means Venus has a rich volcanic history, with many eruptions shaping the planet's surface. The volcanic basalt rock formed over a long period of time, believed to be billions of years, from solidified magma from these eruptions. A study showed that Venus had several volcanic eruptions in just 1 million years, which is a short time compared to its 4.6 billion year history. The eruptions spewed lava that covered large areas, adding a lot of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which changed the climate. These volcanic eruptions have caused several changes to the planet, including the addition of large amounts of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which led to a greenhouse effect and a significant increase in the planet's temperature, which led to the evaporation of liquid water. The water vapor mixed with the atmosphere, acting as a greenhouse gas and contributing to the greenhouse effect, which gradually increased the temperature even more, turned the once temperate and wet planet into a scorching one. Volcanoes have always had a major impact on life on Earth. Over the past billion years, there have been several instances where volcanic eruptions have caused mass extinctions, wiping out at least half of all animal life on the planet. These extinction events were often caused by large volcanic eruptions that produced massive amounts of lava, ash, and gas, known as large igneous provinces. Despite experiencing several mass extinctions fueled by volcanic eruptions, Earth has been able to survive and continue supporting life, and volcanoes have never caused a runaway greenhouse effect. This can be attributed to several factors, while Venus has not been able to survive similar events. One reason for this difference is that Earth has a thicker atmosphere and active plate tectonics, which help to regulate the planet's climate and recycle its crust. Additionally, Earth has a significant amount of liquid water, which helps to absorb excess carbon dioxide and regulate the planet's temperature. In contrast, Venus has a much denser atmosphere, a lack of plate tectonics, and is extremely dry, which has contributed to a runaway greenhouse effect and high temperatures on the surface. These differences in atmospheric conditions, geological processes, and the presence of water have allowed Earth to survive mass extinctions and continue supporting life, while Venus has not been able to do so. NASA is set to launch 2 missions, Da Vinci and Veritas, to study Venus and uncover its history. The aim of the Da Vinci mission is to learn about the planet's past water content and potential disappearance, giving us insights into its climate changes over time. The Veritas mission, on the other hand, will focus on the surface and interior of Venus, giving us a comprehensive understanding of its volcanic history and current state. These missions have the potential to greatly enhance our understanding of how Venus transformed from a potentially habitable planet to its current state, and also offer new perspectives on Earth's volcanism and its impact on life. In conclusion, the study of Venus and its past volcanic activity has the potential to greatly advance our understanding of not just the evolution of Venus, but also the potential for habitability on other planets and the processes that lead to climate change. With new missions being planned by NASA, we may soon uncover the secrets of this fascinating planet and its transformation from a potentially habitable world to its current inhospitable state. Show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel, so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content.